when managing a team, we need the software to be quite easy to pick up and useful for cross collaboration across time zones, across countries. After using RatedPower, it has been easier for seamless cross collaboration. Hi, my name is Nithya Susan Varghese. I currently work as the engineering manager of Recurrent Energy, a subsidiary of Canadian Solar. So my role involves heading the technical development of utility scale projects, solar projects and battery energy storage projects throughout Europe. We have a team of engineers who use RatedPower PV Design for the management of our software. Prior to using PV Design, we used multiple softwares, and it involved separate softwares for CAD-based design, separate Excel tools for CAPEX, and different licenses, different user bases. And this was quite cumbersome, very difficult to manage. We also had issues with cross collaboration between teams. If files were too large and different features were not available, it was quite complicated. The most beneficial feature is the version control and version comparison. This really helps us to do multiple iterations in a short period of time, combined with the CAPEX and performance estimations. Since using PV Design, we have been able to reduce our overall engineering workflow by about 50% because it combines many features like CAPEX estimation, AutoCAD designs, even battery storage simulations. So that has tremendously given us a time advantage. On top of that, we have also been able to design several megawatts of storage, which was impossible before. We did not have an alternative solution for battery energy storage design. And this has definitely helped us to improve our applications for grid connections to stationary BESS projects throughout Europe. And thirdly, it has allowed more of our engineers to be trained, which is a huge advantage for us in a short period of time. I have been interacting with the RatedPower team for about 2 years now, and they surprise me each time. We have been continuously collaborating via trainings, via introduction of features. And for me, it has been especially useful when I have a team to lead. As a manager, sometimes you need additional support to train junior engineers, and PV Design the PV Design team has been very helpful in introducing our new joinees to the software. And we've also been updated about industry trends and even new features that we were not aware of. Hence, we have a very positive relationship with PV Design.